Welcome to Ryder, located in Atlanta, Georgia. I am going to take you to your new vehicle. I can't wait. Let's go ahead and take a look. Your new 2012 Freightliner cab and chassis. Let's take a walk around of your new vehicle. Video. Right now you are looking at a Cummins engine. On the front of this vehicle. Let's take a look at it. So I hope you have the opportunity to stop at our location and take this your new cab and chassis home that has only 387,156 miles. Again, thank you for shopping at Ryder Vehicle Sales, located in Atlanta, Georgia. Have a good day. Bye-bye.